Hello and welcome to this inbox review of this kit from Revell in 1/72nd scale. It's Airbus Helicopters EC135 ANWB, I don't know what that stands for. It's officially licensed from Airbus Helicopters. It's kit number 4939. It's an ambulance helicopter. I think you can only make this one later what's inside the box. You get some blurb telling you what paints you need there, telling you that it's an unassembled plastic kit and you need paint and cement to finish it off. Models that you can build, other models you can build. What's on this side of the box? Oh, this one. It's a modern light utility helicopter. Anyway, so let's have a look, see what's in the box. So we shall start off with the instructions, which is the old style Revell instructions. You get a little bit of potted history of the helicopter there in German and English. And read before you start instructions what all the symbols mean in the instructions. Well, you get some details about cutting parts off from the sprues, pegging them and taping them together, etc., and painting them. And you get all the paints, which is usual with Revell. You get A, it's paint 12 and it's A. So anyway, I've sorted out all the paints for myself. I don't have 378, which is dark grey, but I've got a 374, which is roughly a grey. So, and then you got sprue shots, and you start off with the nose, and it wants 10 grams in the nose there, and then you're doing the whole of the interior of the helicopter, which looks quite detailed. Looks very detailed, to be honest. Paint all the parts up, and then put the fuselage halves together, put the insert in, the body inside, building the tail and the skids, rotor, finishing it off. And then, like I said, you just got one colour scheme. Airbus helicopters, it's in yellow and just a few slight other colours. Okay. So, next up, we shall have a look at the transfers, or decals, whatever you want to call them. I want to call them transfers because that's what they are. Well, that's what they were when I was a kid. They're printed in Italy, so it doesn't say cartograph, but I'm guessing it is. They look very nice, to be honest. All in register. You can read the small writing. If you've got a magnifying glass, I'm sure you'll be able to read that. Okay, and what's it on the plastic? So we'll have a look at the plastic now. Okay, so the fuselage halves. Start with that. Got some very fine detail on it. But you've also got some flash. When I say some. And it looks very nice on the inside. Got some eject pin marks, but I can't see you. I don't think you'd be able to see them when you put the tubs in. So yeah, quite impressed with the very fine detail on the doors. And then interior parts. Seats there with belts in, passenger seats. Is that part of the floor? I don't know. The nose, and then foot pedals. Probably, you know, all the stuff to fly a helicopter with. Don't know what that's for. And let's see. The next part is more interior stuff. Got some very nice radio detail there on the inside. Yeah, it's all very nice, very nice. And that's the floor of the interior. You've got details there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not. And then we've got the tail rotor. It's got a bit of flash there. On that, yeah, there's fine flash all the way around stuff parts. It just needs a quick swipe, doesn't it? And then exterior parts. Now I've already broken that piece off. It's in the bag. I'm not getting it out. Okay. The rotor blades, so they're not very big, the rotor blades on this. And the fan for the rear of the helicopter. And you've got the skid. And some of these parts are really tiny. So, and that looks tiny but detailed. I mean, like, and that'll be the wiper blade there. It's like, I'm not sure if this is really a 76 scale, because them are the foot pedals for the crew, and they look very, very small. Anyway, we'll see how they go on. So, oh yeah, the clear parts. The clear parts. Look clear, but also you probably can't tell it on the camera, but there's like lines in the glass there, and they've got flash round as well. It'll need taking off. So I'll mask these windows up before I put them in the fuselage. Okay, and that's about it. That's that's all there is to this small kit. So hopefully it'll be a quick build. I'm looking forward to building it and showing it to you guys on YouTube. And it's a shame you don't get the figures to go with it, because they'd look cool inside, you know what I mean, in their orange overalls and yellow helmets. Yeah, you can't have everything, can you? Anyway, so let's crack on and get it made.